Anti-drone system. The anti-drone system adopts the integration of bicycle, integrating in radar detection, photoelectric identification, intelligent AF-EOD laser system, communication circuit detection, electronic interface, and other technologies. At the same time, it can be equipped with a power supply vehicle, which can quickly and effectively build a low-altitude defense system. It has the characteristics of strong integration, high intelligence level, flexible operation, and rapid development. The maximum blue distance of the system is more than 1,000 meters. The maximum interface detect distance is more than 10 kilometers. And the accuracy of intelligent identification is greater than 95%. Equipment can work normally in the environment of -20 degrees to 60 degrees. The equipment in the cabin can work stably at the environment of 0 degrees to 35 degrees. The vehicle works normal in the environment of -90 degrees and to 60 degrees.